Secretly, US finally tests the new Super A-10 Warthog. The wait is over for aviation enthusiasts and military aficionados as the United States unveils its latest marvel in aerial warfare, the Super A-10 Warthog. This cutting-edge aircraft is set to revolutionize close air support, or CAS operations, solidifying its position as a formidable force on the battlefield. Building upon the legendary reputation of its predecessor, the A-10 Thunderbolt U, the Super A-10 Warthog incorporates state-of-the-art technologies and advanced features. Its design focuses on enhancing maneuverability, increasing lethality, and improving survivability, making it an invaluable asset for ground forces. The Super A-10 Warthog boasts an array of improvements that elevate its performance to new heights. With upgraded avionics and sensor systems, the aircraft offers unparalleled situational awareness, enabling pilots to accurately identify and engage ground targets. This heightened precision minimizes collateral damage and maximizes the effectiveness of CAS missions. One of the standout features of the Super A-10 Warthog is its advanced weaponry. Equipped with a diverse arsenal of precision-guided missiles and air-to-ground munitions, the aircraft has the ability to neutralize a wide range of threats. This versatility ensures that it remains a versatile force multiplier, capable of adapting to various combat scenarios. Furthermore, the Super A-10 Warthog incorporates stealth technology, rendering it less susceptible to enemy radar detection. This crucial attribute enhances the aircraft's survivability, allowing it to operate deep within contested airspace. Combined with its durability and ruggedness, the Super A-10 Warthog can withstand harsh conditions and return safely from the most demanding missions. The introduction of the Super A-10 Warthog represents a significant leap forward in the evolution of close air support capabilities. Its advanced networking and communication systems facilitate seamless coordination with ground forces and other aircraft, promoting enhanced interoperability and mission effectiveness. As the world evolves, so does the nature of warfare, necessitating the development of cutting-edge platforms like the Super A-10 Warthog. This aircraft's arrival comes at a time when the need for agile and precise CAS operations has never been greater. It empowers the U.S. military to maintain air superiority and deliver critical support to ground troops in a wide range of combat environments. While the exact deployment plans for the Super A-10 Warthog are undisclosed, one thing is clear. It represents a major leap forward in the United States' commitment to military readiness. With its impressive capabilities and advanced features, the Super A-10 Warthog is poised to dominate the skies and provide unparalleled support to troops on the ground.